It identifies that this is the man standing on the road, how far is it, and I have to take action. Right? What we do two things? What we do two things? One person can tell me. 1%. This time I want girls. What you do? When you drive car, what do you do? We talk. No one will talk. You do the steering. Left, right. This is what you do. What do you do? So you see it and then you do the left and right. And how you apply the acceleration or brake. So two things you will primarily do today. Either acceleration or deceleration or steering. Left, right. And combination of these two. So acceleration, deceleration. So only two things we do primarily. And how a human sees this is then we do it. So when we develop a self-driving vehicle, we need to have these sensors put in that. He needs to do that, understanding that he identifies that this car is there or some item is there or dog is there or the bumper is there, and he gives a signal, use it, and then give it to the controller automatically, acceleration, deceleration, and control. So this is the phenomena work with self-driving works. Right? You got a hang of it. There is a huge opportunity. I am also working for the last 5-6 years. Right? Now let me, who is it? Which company provides self-driving car?
Tesla.
Who agrees? Raise the Tesla. Raise it. What is that? Okay. But can someone tell me how the Tesla is really providing self-driving vehicle? And second, who is the company providing self-driving vehicle? Second company.
TATA.
No, we are not making self-driving car. We are. Please understand, there are two things which we get confused. One is the ADAS, ADAS. What is full form? Advanced Driving Assistance. Right? So like I said, sensor will do the blind spot, emergency, lane changing, and these are the things which we do, but driver is always on seat. But self-driving, no driver on seat. Got it? Now somebody said Tesla. I have drove Tesla 1000 miles. How much? And I have enjoyed self-driving. Gadi automatically runs. So what it does, this Tesla vehicle, it gives you the subscription feature to choose vehicle with autopiloting. They call autopiloting, self-driving. So if you see it, just in the last month, I was in where I was, San Francisco. I sat in the Tesla and it put into the auto mode, autopilot. So one side 6 lane. How many lanes? 6 lane. 1 lane, 2 lane. 6 cars are running on. Left hand side I see one bus, big bus, is just running and is covering truck. And it is running at a speed of 100 kilometers per hour. How much? Self-driving, no one will fear, right? And my bus was, I'm here. My vehicle is here. Here is a bus. Just one and 1.5 feet. And this vehicle is running without driver. But it works. Technology works. No collisions happen. But Tesla, what they ask you to put your hand on the steering. Don't do anything, just keep hand. In case of worst case, you have to take control of the vehicle. So this is Tesla. And please know, there are 5 levels of automatic vehicle. 5 levels. Top level called level 5 vehicle means no any car can run anywhere without any driver. That is level 5. What is level 4? Vehicle will run from Tekali to Baisa. So I define only this area, only the vehicle will run in autopilot, no driver. Right? But it will not run in Bangalore, it will run on this. Because they have customized this vehicle for this job. That is called level 4. No driver, but I have defined certain cluster. Vehicle will run only from Pune to Bombay. Or vehicle is running inside only the your AITM college. What is level? Level 4. Because I only do. If you go outside, it will crash. Like level 3, level 3 is there, level 2 is there, with certain constraint it comes. Okay? So self-driving car is there. Another thing technology is happening. You see the car, we have got a speedometer. You see the speedometer, you see the speed, you see the fuel consumption. It's small, huh? Don't get bored of the what is that? Can you see it? Now, whole world is working. That is called HMI. What is HMI? HMI? If someone answer me, you will have a dinner with me today night. We will go Vizag together. HMI. Huh?
Human machine interface.
Huh?
Human machine interface.
Who said this? Come here. He looks to be the hero of college, right? Come. So what's your name? Gautam. Please clap for him. So we will have celebration. Gautam. Huh? So Mr. Sitira, he's answering, right? So we take this. We'll talk dinner, so this lunch now. But to be sure. Now, if you see, whole world is working. If you see the car is so much of it, so like this. LED, good. This side, she wants a nice music system, music will play. But she wants back side, no, I want to see video. Distance. So this entire thing called HMI. Now this car is going to be full immersive. Immersive means that it gives you happiness, enjoyment, new thing. It's called immersive. I enjoy. So car is getting to be the immersive experience by putting it. So this is it. So this HMI and the entire sensor is designed. If I go into the car, it will start. You will know that I am Rabindara and I like Hindi song of this. You will start playing. So vehicle is getting customized for every driver who is coming inside the vehicle, and whole thing, entertainment, TV, Netflix you can see it, you can see the PPT, you can open it, you can, whatever you can think, is all is being done. It's nice. And something is special for the rear seat also. He will also have some bigger TV and everything is given done. Mercedes bringing TV and also, this is what whole world is working to bring this. Who create the better immersive experience for the driver will sell the vehicle. Right? So this is happening. Now, all these things to be happening, we require digital technology, and like I explained, the digital technology. And one thing which is emerging is now in mind. You know about game engine? How many you play game? No one play game. Achha, name the software which develops the game. Standard software, which is the largest selling. Have you know Fortnite? Have you played? Who plays Fortnite? No one. Such a nice Indian promise. No one plays games. So please maintain. I'm talking now. Please pay attention. I'm putting effort, right? So there are two software which is very popular in worldwide, which is known for the game developing game. One is, how about Unity? Unity software? No? Just he knows it. What's your name? Santoshi knows about it. So Unity software. Have you using developing them? There is another software called Unreal Engine. You know Unreal Engine? No one knows Unreal Engine. And I play games. So these are the two software is 90% share of market worldwide. And this software is not only for game development. This software is not for only game development. This is also for engineering application. They wanted to keep virtual reality, how the demo is going on. They use this software to develop virtual reality, design the product, design the car, visualization, training kit, virtual reality, put the training kit. We can go and learn the training, plant visit, product demo, maintenance training, sales and marketing, all these stuffs can be done. You can make the film, you can make the here film, you can make the virtual production. Green screen, nowadays films are being made green screen and with the artist talking in the green screen where the imagery you can create and build. I make film also, by the way. So these are the things which you can do. So this game engine we use for the all visualization of the car, creating sales and marketing, or HMI designing being used. Right? Okay? So these are being done. Now most important thing is happening to make this vehicle is becoming more and more complex. Right? Now it is age of electronics, guys. Because a lot of issues are coming. In a car nowadays, around 80 to 90 issues are there. And all issues used for the provide is better your battery consumption, monitoring the battery consumption, tire, battery, engine, whatever is there. Then issues required for control of this HMI system, music system, your connectivity. So a lot of vehicles getting in the kind of issues which is required a layer of hardware. We require the operating system also. We require the application to be developed. So all those we do into the computer inside the edge computing because we put the hardware inside that and all development happen. So nowadays what is happening? Putting all this thing, the car is becoming as a kind of computer on wheel. Because now is more of a electrical, electronics and data science and AI enable, everything is coming. Connectivity, 5G, all is happening. And whole world is behind this. I saw large number of vehicles, different unique design. Hyundai is come up with different product. Honda, Kia, Sony. You know Sony is also partnered with Hyundai to make the car. Are you aware? He is making the car. He developed the kit. LG. You know the LG TV? To the make car. I have a lot of video. So they have partnered to develop this all kind of sensors, develop the ECUs which will be fitted in the vehicle to convert the vehicle into the ADAS or safety related functions or self-drive vehicle. And this is happening. I spoke about computer on wheel. Now, sometimes people are having mood off. I fight with her and then go. So what will happen? Car is now wellness on car. Wellness, I experienced a car, I drove a car which is made by top company in Netherlands. Very beautiful car. So look and feel. So moment you sit in the car, the internal AI will work and it will assess my face and will make it out I am stressed. I'm not mood is good. Then what you will do, it will work the algorithm AI and it will create the internal lighting system, ambience, music, custom for me to de-stress my face and I become a happy. And I tried sitting in a car and it works. If you sit in a car now, it will give you immediately pulse, blood pressure. Also, so lot of wellness things is brought into the car, which is now in the car. Because we provide engineering services, we need to build this technology, develop the services so we can go the world. So there is a big opportunity for all of you into the work on this area, be in the campus, take any projects, do the multidisciplinary mechanical, electrical, electronic, computer science, even MP also out there, do the marketing. And build the product, learn about the digital technology, and try to build the prototype also. I have some of the use cases. I have got all area around 40-50 live videos which I have worked and I see the people are working. I try to create it to show all of you, but I'm not able to show. Right? How much time do you have? You want to show a story? No. getting bored, right? The clap for me, at least I feel happy. Thank you. So I can talk for the next 10 minutes. No, why don't we do the question answer? We do the question answer. Is that good? So that you will ask question. So I will start this round 10 questions. This row 10, 10, 10. So at least 30, 40 questions we will try to answer. Or not at least 10. So I am talking for 5 minutes. I will start with this row. Now girls and boys think I will come and we need to ask questions. And I can ask anyone to get up. Why I am saying, if you ask the questions, you can straight get answer from me. You will learn. And this is good for your future. It's good for your future, your parents who is really trying to that my son and daughter becomes a nice, right? So think whatever questions you are asking. So I have got 32 years, so you can ask question, I will try to answer you. So that will be the picture. Now, one very important thing whole world is working. Have you heard about sustainability? What sustainability? Heard about? Have you heard about net carbon zero? Net carbon zero? No? No? Have you heard about recycle, reuse? Yes. What is that? Huh?
Reduce, reuse.
Stand up till now. You are seriously ready. Please understand, whole world, every company, automotive, aerospace, everyone is working on these two things. Government of India has signed, our Prime Minister has signed Paris Agreement, where we have got a commitment by 2037 we will not emit any carbon neutral. We emit, we burn, we fuel with carbon stuff, which pollutes the environment. So I don't need to follow that one. When I generate it, I need to create something else which will neutralize this emission of the carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. So that is what is carbon net zero. If generation is there, we need to build something which neutralizes that. So zero is maintained. And you see the global warming is happening. We see that temperature 1 degree, 1.5 degree is increasing, right? So this is really the problem. Now you see, if you design the car raw material, you see the go-karting is happening, right? That require raw material. What is the raw material? Metal, minerals, right? Metal minerals required. Do you think that this metal minerals are available forever, every time? Do you think? So what we should do for our next generation? We have to, go ahead. She is saying recycling. So there are two words very nice you should learn. One is called linear economy. That is called circular economy. What is linear economy? Go to the mine, take the minerals, steel, iron ore, whatever material, whatever. Use in the car and make the car. And this whatever car after 10 years and throw it. Then go to the minerals, draw the materials. Do you think that the whole minerals will go exhausted? So this process is called linear economy. Because linear, take waste, right? What is circular economy? Will not go to the mine, will not go to the minerals. What I will do? What is waste? I will recycle it. How I can use this material to repair the vehicle, reuse it, right? So it is important that you start thinking how probably go-kart can be used, built. You can do everything. And there are plastic components, there are composite fiber component, metal component, and lot of cars are there. Mobile has got some rare materials which India doesn't have, which China has. So China, if I want to become a civil, give me No, why will? Then I will make that. All technology development requires some special material which are rarely available in some country. So there are political war happens. So technology development also requires some minerals, no? Chips. We build the chips. You see the mechanical, there are mobile. So there are many things. We are doing the your mining below the building. We are going to mining inside the sea. We have started your planet also. We are trying to find jobs. A lot of things are there. So circular economy needs to be used. Whatever waste is there, we need to redesign the material. Recycle is to build the product. And it is not only car. I have seen fabric. Everything, whatever component you see, table, chair, etc., any component, and lot of growth is happening in Europe. And United Nations, which is driving this net carbon zero sustainability, there are 17 SDG goals. You know 17 SDG goals? Please, in the evening, 1 hour, just go to Google. 7 SDG goals, sustainable development goals. And each goals is talking about this sustainability, net carbon zero, many other aspects, gender equality, lot of things. You must read it, because if you read it, you are get aware. Then you will start implementing in the engineering colleges and outside when you go in, right? So this is very important aspects, and this whole world is doing, and which is use the technology. We used to design the product physically. Now we are doing digitally. I am saving time, saving wastages. Carbon I am not generating. I am a car manufacturer. I think each and every component, plastic, metallic, non-metallic, how I can reuse it. I can I can use the material which is recyclable. So those are the things which you need to build. Okay? So this is learning linear, circular economy, sustainability, net carbon zero. And 17 SDG goal is a task for you in the evening to do it. Okay, so I will stop it here, and any questions I will start from this side. Okay, or anyone we can start it. Who will ask? Now he is our Gautam is a nice. I will start from you. Yes, sir, Gautam will ask me. Yes, Gautam, ask me any question. Hey, lady, this girl, one girl. Otherwise, one of anyone ask. Then this girl. Please ask me. Or you can make comment also, no problem. It was what our interaction. You got learn something.
What is your success mantra?
Now, very nice question. There is just very nice boy and he's asking questions, right? I had a very beautiful slide. I'll see if I can share with the professor. He can pass it to you. You know, I have defined my way of work is 9th mantra. Please follow me. First, you should be curiosity. It should be there. Curiosity. You understand what?
Yes,
Curiosity. Who can explain? At least explain curiosity, na?
a desire to learn something.
So curiosity is mad.
Desire to
Why
learn
this illness
something.
came here? Why this is hanging? You are interested to know about it. So you need to.
Desire.
Yes, and specific interest, right? This is very nice. So curiosity. Second is that you need to be hungry. What is hungry?
Agri.
Not eating hungry. You need to be hungry for.
Knowing something.
Huh?
Knowing about.
Yes. See, what's your name? Susmita. So, to learn something new, you should be hungry. So if you see that this team is doing something, go and ask, what are you doing? Please tell me. Please build this hungry. And a very nice thing I was talking about, I've got 9 points. One is T. You know the letter T capital? Huh? T. Horizontal and vertical. Vertical is one skill. Vertical is? And horizontal is? Any guesses? Is a time frame. I call the horizontal 3 to 4 months. How much? 3 to 4 months. So in 1 month, 3 to 4 months, you should learn one skill. How to learn a skill? First read it. Say for example, I spoke about a task. ADAS. What is ADAS? Advanced Driving Assistance System. So ADAS. So how to learn a skill? Read about this material, go to the Google, understand what is ADAS. This is one. Second, try to build a small POC, proof of context, in the lab or with the friends, multidisciplinary. So if you do the learning and small POC, you have acquired one skill. So one T is made. Then what you need to do? We need to make more T. So one T, 3 to 4 months. Then pick any skill of your interest, maybe blockchain or additive manufacturing. Then 3 to 4 months horizontal and vertical is additive manufacturing, 3D printing. So like this, multiple T's you need to build it. And first the next point which I say is to answer your point. Learn to ask questions. Learn to ask questions. If you ask questions, if you ask questions, it gives the confidence. It will do the talk, and your curiosity in the mind will get answered. If you ask questions, many will be having many doubt, thinking, but you are not asking. Please ask questions. I am here till tomorrow. You can just walk in any time. I appreciate a lot of students yesterday caught me for 2 hours. Very nice questions, very nice questions. Please build questions and learn to ask questions. Whoever it is. Sometimes I was like you only right now. I have put hard work than this. To ask questions is must. So these are the things which I implement. I am very hardworking also, and networking. Networking is important or not?
Yes, sir.
How many agree networking? Hand. So they are not interested. You are not interested in networking? Interested? Okay. So say example. I am here. If you talk to me, you are doing networking. Then you will ask questions, networking. Then you will ask me, sir, what kind of internship we should do? You will learn. I will give a capsule. Capsule means that you will hear from me. This is my experience, which will help. Then probably will also ask internship, right? Then you will ask also the job, right? This person. So this is the way you need to build the networking. And one thing which you should do immediately when you go out, what we should do it? All of your LinkedIn profile.
Yes, sir.
Who has a LinkedIn? Raise your hand. LinkedIn. So what you should do it? Go to the LinkedIn. You know my name.
Yes, sir.
Just start connect with me. Follow me. The moment you do it, I have put lot of stuff. In the last 1 year, my company's duty is how I can share maximum information to the people. I write lot of real-time industry need and technology. You will enjoy. So follow me and go to my post. Right? You know where I was there as day before yesterday?
No.
I was in Chennai. I didn't go for the tourist. Who invited? Tamil Nadu government invited me to come there. And there was a big event. And I conducted a mega master class on virtual reality. And I have shared a nice video I have made. If you see the video and read my post, you can make it on what I give it. It's a good, no? Silently you will learn. And there are like that many. About this event, I will also post it, right? Go-karting, I will also post it. Hackathon, I will also post it. This because if I learn something, if I do not tell the whole world, this learning is no meaning. And people saw the idea, oh my God, yeah, team organizes go-karting. Oh, organizer also organize what? Hackathon. And something is school is also going. Some people came for inauguration. So you should know, right? No? So please connect with me. Write a small, take pictures. Write something. Sarne, bakwas, and good things said. Whatever you learn to write it. Connect with the people. If I like it, many people will get connected. Then you start reading what others are posting. It's very important. Please, Gautam, 30 minutes every day you need to spend time where? LinkedIn. Where? You agree? Will you follow? Please raise hand. Yes, good, very good, very good. So LinkedIn. And LinkedIn is for the professional. Chalo, thank you, Buddha. Any questions? Girls, we have to balance it. Right? No girls. I was told that girls are, I see that your girls go-karting team. Very nice presentation. Any questions? Ask now. Any questions? No questions. You want me to go as oh, here people do not interact. You want to carry that impression? So please ask. Who will ask? You are going to ask. Please come, let us. Please. No question. You don't know?
About those cards and all.
Okay. So I also don't know. Just to answer is, will you be surprised when I did my engineering? When I did my engineering, there was a one computer lab. There was one. There were 3 computers, and beside there was a plastic computer. What is? We were not allowed to touch computer. We were allowed to touch the plastic computer. Press A, nothing happening. Yeah? Plastic. B. So I come in that area, and I so much of learning, so much of skill in my company. I have grown from bottom to up. Right. So that's what is that. So you have opportunity to learn, ask question. Anyone decide? No girls. Sir, no girls. No one asking questions. That's good. All domain I have worked design, manufacturing, and what we call design, manufacturing, validation. And I work for more than 100 customer worldwide. TATA Motors is my parent customer. Do you know one thing? I do racing. But what racing? Any guesses? Like Gautam? No car racing. What else? Huh? Bike racing? No. Horse riding? No. Oh my God! She came to see saying cycle racing. I do cycle racing. We do truck racing. Have you heard about truck racing? I've heard it. Oh yes, Sky. I'll take 1 minute. Truck racing, Tata Motors organizes 4 years, 2015, 14, 15, 16, 17, to build the truck. And truck was racing in the Buddha circuit, Greater Noida, you know. There's a big circuit area. A mega event of annual event. We build the vehicle, I was one of the lead of this, build the vehicle, take the vehicle, and 8 vehicles are competing with each other with all Tata Motors vehicles. And those vehicles were the best of best technology which we are talking now. We did it 2014, 15, 16. So I'm the car racing also. So this is in summary. In the summary, you just go to my profile, you get a lot of money. Any more question? Mother, please clap. One last question. Yes, please. Let's see. My God. This nice question. You know, yesterday I was talking to her. She asked that why you choose this profession. You know, everyone has got parents. I come with a family background where we are not so much of rich, right? And we have got 4 brothers and sister, only father income. But we are very average family. But father inspired us, beta, you become, he is an engineer, my father was Peter. He was working in Durgapur Thermal Power Station. So he was inspiring, so he just made it. So we had not so much of money, go and take a coaching like nowadays, self-study. And to make the study, I was teaching my classmate. I was in class 12, I was teaching my classmate and taking 200 rupees and to mentoring that. So that comes there. That inspiration is father wanted to make. I put my hard work and I did it. And I'm from NIT Patna. I'm mechanical topper. I'm a sports champion for 4 years. And do you know that in my name editorials were published in the newspaper? And I was student of the year for 4 years. So this come and don't go by stomach. I'm a very sports person, huh? Very sports person. My latest achievement is that, have you heard about Bachelor Park?
Yes, sir.
Who can tell me who is Bachelor Park?
First woman to climb mountains.
Yes, she knows. She is the first lady who climbed Mount Everest from India, and she was Padma Vibhushan. And she is my mentor. What is she? She is my mentor. We do tracking together. And she inspired me. Hold on. I will give you an opportunity. She inspired me. Rabindara, you climb Mount Everest. If you are not targeting Mount Everest Base Camp. You know Everest Base Camp? It is a Kathmandu 5,400 meter from Nepal base. And above that is the Everest. So I did 15 days of tracking of very difficult environment, raining, eating problem, fooding problems, you will like this. This the Everest base camp climbing with the achievement in last year in April. And now I'm targeting upper Everest. So probably I may not come return to you to see you again. So I'm targeting that. So I'm preparing for that 2027. I'm targeting for Everest also. So, thank you. I'm a regular microbiota in my TATA group. I play and entertain, enjoy with the senior leadership of TATA group, MD and all, play together. I inspire them, keep them fit, etc. In my leadership, I was head of TATA Technology, Jamshedpur, Lucknow, Patna. And in my leadership, this culture we build games, sports, cultural, and the profession all were going together. So that is what gives the inspiration and science. So that's why I thought. Any question? So you got the answer? Hope I passed it. Thank you so much. We'll stop it here. I'm sorry I couldn't use my PPT, but next time I promise to use and director sir and I will conduct one design thinking session. Very important. It's a one day. I've learned from the Stanford. I will do it here. No PPT, nothing. Doing and learning. And then I will take something big there a workshop I wanted to conduct in future. How many want to learn about game engine or virtual reality and all? Raise your hand. So first, I will only train first 30 people. First 30 people will register open for entire college. And I am training. Right? Okay.
Respected Principal of ICOM, and dear faculty, fraternity, press, and my dear student friends, good afternoon, everyone. I've seen such a wonderful time with Rabindara sir. I just feel like an honor to be a part of this talk. And, on behalf of ICOM, I'd like to convey my gratitude towards the talk, which should touch every point which student right now required mentally and physically. Thank you very much for your motivation and access. I request Principal sir to honor Shri Rabindara sir with an honor and memento. All the faculty members are requested to join with this event.
Excuse me, I'm sharing right now the network is important. I have a Google QR code and there are some tick questions. Please share your thoughts, whatever you learn. Because if you and please go home, please share with your parents. These are the 2-3 things you have learned. Please share it. Can you just move around one person? Just scan it to the mobile and take a picture or something.
Right, sir. Live. Good afternoon, students. Today, we run the program on the eve of this VIKSIT BHARATH. So, it is a Government of India initiation. You know that. So the central government, mainly President Modi government, has a vision to make India by 2047 as a developed nation. Since inception, that means from Independence Day, we are thinking that our India is a developing nation. So always it is developing, but even though we have a lot of problems, but we are united and progressing well. And recently we checked that as per the GDP, our country is the fifth largest one. And very soon we hope that it will reach us to third by crossing the other countries. And by 2047, the government of India has the vision that the India should be called as a developed nation, like the USA or the European countries or like the Japan, etc. So in that connection, what are the lagging points in our side? So mainly they are focusing and try to uplift our country as a developed nation. So for that they are mainly identified that one is our country lagging in the exports mainly. So that is due to the
Excuse me, please don't. Sir is talking, sir is sharing. Please listen to him.
technologically we have the manpower, lot of manpower is there,
This side.
but technologically we are not upgraded. We have a lot of imports from a small needle to the bigger applications. So due to that, we are always depending on the other countries. So they are identified a lot of fields, mainly the defense, like fuel. That's why nowadays the government of India is encouraging the solar power, that is non-conventional energy sources. The reason is mainly the resources of the petroleum is very poor in our India. We are depending on the other countries. So due to that one, we are wasting a lot of foreign currency in that regard. Similarly, we have a lot of consumers compared to the worldwide. But the production is very poor. Best example is the electronic goods. We are almost 99% electronic goods are importing from the foreign countries. 99%. But we are consuming more than 60% electronic goods worldwide. Whatever may be, maybe mobile phones, laptops, systems, whatever may be, any electronic gadgets, almost all are imported. Similarly, different sector. And at the same time, we have the knowledge, but at the same time, we have no the legal approval, that is called patents. A legal approval from the worldwide. For example, we are consuming a lot of toothpaste, even Colgate, Pepsodent, whatever may be, even Ponds. Okay, a shower to shower. If you take any consumer goods, lot of soaps also, they are patented by the foreign countries. We are paying the royalty. Suppose if you take an Indian product like a Sebaka, some toothpaste are there. Sebaka or the Vico, some toothpaste are there. Their cost is very cheap. But even though we are not focused on that point, due to that, we are paying a lot of royalty to the foreign countries. That means whatever the product we have purchased, it may be 1 rupee or 50 paise or 25 paise, is going to the foreign company. That is due to the reason of we are not having the patents. Similarly, research side also, we have a lot of knowledge, but knowledge is shared, but we have no proper patents for our knowledge. So they are also focused in that parameter. So that's why they have created a common platform is called the VIKSIT BHARATH. Okay, so in that we can share any idea. In that parameter, the government of India also encouraging some of the eminent persons like sir, sending that persons to different colleges, and they want to give some lectures, motivate the students towards the developing nation of our country. So it is one of the good opportunity for us. Okay, like experts are us came and given a good lecture to the students. I hope that the students, okay, motivate yourself. The knowledge is you, the future is you. Okay, so try to motivate yourself and try to participate more and more programs. Try to implement the time. Wish you all the best. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And at the same time, sir, we are introducing whatever we are telling, design thinking. Okay, in your new regulations, that is R23 regulations, they are making as that subject is mandatory. Okay, so try to give your services for the sorry the insert for that IAC. So try to get our service. Okay, so for the present juniors, we have made that subject is also mandatory from the to secondary onwards for the first year students. Okay, so wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Now it's time to honor Rabindara. I request the principal sir to hand over memento and honor with the shot.
Okay, Bharat, thank you. And you check the spelling of my name and connect on LinkedIn and read lot of things. Huh?
Thank you and welcome.
Thank you so much, sir.
Send me pictures. Huh?
Yeah, sure, sir. Sure.
You have my number.
Yeah. ఆ రెండు ఉన్నాయి.